Hello guys, here I am going to explain how BJP lost in Vidhan Sabha elections in West Bengal. Many right-wing Hindus were blaming Bengali Hindus for not voting for the BJP. But in the reality, what happened on the ground is much different. I will try to explain few of those points. Let me tell you the reasons of BJP's poor performances. 1. The Karyakartas with a separate ideology made the ground organization weak. BJP had an organization at every booth in the West Bengal of each and every consciences. But many of their Karyakartas were ex-CPIM Karyakartas who joined the BJP only to save themselves from the TMC, not by accepting their ideology. They made BJP's ground organization very weak in many consciences. Number 2. Welcoming and promoting a TMC leaders and ignoring its own dedicated Karyakartas. BJP thought they are weakening the TMC by promoting a new joinings of TMC leaders in the party. But they didn't realize that they are cheating their own Karyakartas who fought against themselves to those TMC leaders in Lok Sabha elections. And number 3. Ignoring Hindutva for voting effacement. This point is for those who are blaming only Bengali Hindus for not winning BJP in West Bengal. They should know the pre-election vote effacement of BJP. Point 1. BJP welcomed jihadi Munirul Islam for votes whose family has involved in the crimes. Point number 2. BJP welcomed Babu Master Aikya Firoz Kamal Ghazi, who murdered the Dalit BJP leader Pradeep Mandal in 2019. His wife Padma filed a complaint against the Babu Master. But in spite of that, BJP gave him a Y category security to the murderer. And point number 3. Bengali Hindus have been suffering from the effacement since the partition. Mamata has brought this effacement into the next level. But BJP President Dilip Ghosh and BJP Bengal in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya made some disgusting statements to the effacement of which backfired BJP. Number 4. Ignoring the warning of RSS. When BJP leaders were busy joining TMC CPM leaders Karyakartas in their party, RSS warned BJP not to compromise with the ideology by taking all corrupt persons into the party. But BJP ignored all those warnings and continued the pollute to the party. Number 5. Price hike of gas, fuel and food items before election. West Bengal is a poor state with geographically 70% of villages. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, BJP got massive support from the villages. But due to extreme prices hike of daily necessities, goods, and people got angry, and the TMC used that anger very well. Number 6. No CM face in front of Mamata. In 2021 Lok Sabha election, BJP got historic 18 seats with more than 40% of vote share because of the clean and bold face of PM Narendra Modi. But in 2021 Vidhan Sabha election, BJP has failed to put a CM face in front of Mamata Banerjee. Number 7. Failed to convey Dalit and women voters. Dalits, especially scheduled caste and scheduled tribes voters, play a decisive role in election of West Bengal. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, max of them voted for the BJP. BJP made historic promises to attract scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and women voters in their manifesto. But BJP Karyakartas have failed to convince them. Number 8. The scam in MLA ticket distribution. BJP's ticket distribution was not just less than a scam. Point 1. They ignored their dedicated Karyakartas and give tickets to the newcomers from the TMC, CPM or Congress who didn't even want to take a BJP tickets. Point number 2. The same thing happened in North and South Bengal, which was a BJP strong zone during the 2019 Lok Sabha election. Dispute of this pretext of BJP Karyakartas, BJP state leadership kept their arrogance misbehavior and did nothing to claim down the anger of their karyakartas. Point number 3. The confidence level of state BJP leaders was much high that they are ignored the advice of RSS before distributing MLA tickets. Number 9. Congress and CPIM surrendered themselves in front of Mamata. Hindus are the main enemy of Congress and communists. They feared to see the rising of Hindutva in West Bengal. So they decided to surrender themselves to the TMC to stop BJP coming in West Bengal by these type of campaign like No Vote to BJP. Number 10. The poor management of polling and counting agents. TMC trained their karyakartas before making them polling and counting agents, but BJP did nothing. There was so many places where the untrained BJP karyakartas left the counting station and before the counting stop. And this was the entire analysis based on the experiences of few BJP karyakartas who worked on the ground for the BJP